Everyone's into native plants these days, and why? Well, it makes a lot of sense. They're native, they're used to the conditions in which they grow. So that makes them disease resistant, often drought resistant, and really tough and hardy plants, and many of them are very beautiful. I happen to think this plant is very beautiful. It's a Yaupon holly. What I like about it is it's a native, but I can clip it into a hedge. You can go as formal as you like with this. You can clip them like those fancy topiary that are often done in yew or boxwood. Yaupon holly is very drought resistant, but it can also grow in boggy areas. It's a great source of food for birds. The female Yaupons can be covered with these little red berries. You can see there's just a few left from the winter. Now you may be wondering where Yaupon grows in the United States. It grows from coastal North Carolina all the way to East Texas, and from the very tip of Florida all the way up to really southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. So there's quite a wide range. If you look closely at a leaf, it's a beautiful green, oval shape and very glossy. But what's behind that green is a real powerhouse. This is the most caffeinated plant in North America. Yes, you can actually make caffeinated tea from Yaupon holly leaves, and it's really quite delicious. Now, I don't want you to think that Yaupons look like this in nature, a clipped hedge. They're a beautiful small tree or large shrub. They can have a compelling naturalistic look to them. So they're really a tree that can work in lots of different types of landscapes. And like I said, they're edible. Next time, we'll get into how to make Yaupon tea.